This 2022 K-Z Sportsmen SE 231 FKK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 27 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, oven, leveling jacks, external shower, smoke detector, LP detector, slideout, microwave, awning, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 K-Z Sportsmen SE 231 FKK is 5,150 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.